Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is Cute Cat Colors and this is part 3 of Pulling the Fire Alarm. Can you comment your favorite ice cream flavor? Make sure to like and subscribe. Let's start this. Just to make sure. But you sure you're gonna do it? I'm sure. Okay, 3. So, you sure I have to do this? You have to, you know that. Yeah, you still do have to do it, but you don't have to if you don't want. But you don't have to if you don't want to. Don't listen to her. Sorry. Well, we're gonna go to class. Remember. I know. Just get ready here, yeah. Should I do this for the girls? I really don't want to. Well, I guess I'll do it. 3, 2, 1. Oh my gosh. Guys, it's happening. I think we're a bit late for the fire alarm drill. Come on, guys, we have to go. Okay, I'm glad everyone came. I'm glad you all finally remember to come here if there's a fire drill. So well done, everybody. Mr. Shell has a few stuff to say. So mark my words, if anyone makes a sound, why are you so mean to him? Oh my gosh. Sorry. Continue. So it looks like it was a false alarm. Yeah. So someone must have pulled it, or a toaster, but there's no fire. So, but still, I want you guys to go home because there was no drill. No one knew this was happening. So you guys can go home. Sorry, Mr. Shell. Yeah. You don't want to fight with me. No, I'm not going to fight with you. I'm not going to fight with you. Trust me. You want to fight? No, not in front of the class. Sorry, but Mr. Shell, but my students have to take the test. No, and if I say they're going home, they're going home. But my students have to take this. Well, it's my rules. They can go home. Kids, you're really lucky this time. Kids, you know you're very lucky this time. Yeah, you're really lucky. You're very lucky still. So we have to do it tomorrow? Yes, Joey, that's right. You have to do this tomorrow. So I hope you're ready for tomorrow. That's not how you treat them. Yes, it is. Now leave me alone. How dare you talk to me like that? Okay, kids, just go home, please. Okay, guys, part 4 will be really soon. So I hope you enjoyed this video and make sure to like and subscribe. And remember to comment your favorite ice cream flavor. Bye.